What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day as always. As you guys all know, I actually have been working on getting a website on YouTube for me and Shadow Walker as well, but I couldn't done a lot of things. So in the meanwhile, it's kind of complicated, not for everybody, but for me it is. But check it out, I just ordered a new t-shirt, and this design is fire. It says your favorite on the front, and on the back it says pickup vlog on YouTube. So that goes without saying that this design is so fire that I actually ordered, like, I believe like 20 more. I'm gonna be ordering here shortly. If anyone is interested in getting a merch from me, make sure to go visit the link in the description, basically my Instagram. Send me a GM and I will, you know, reply to you, talk to you what the price is gonna be, and you know how we will do it to ship, and yeah. But with that being said, it's actually a beautiful day here in Eastern PA. I love this. I mean, but with that being said, I hope you guys, you know, enjoy, you know, me making making some merch. I actually love this design. It's so fired. I mean, I have never done a custom t-shirt other than, you know, my pickup vlog that only says pickup vlog here, you know, not here, you know, on the other shirt, but I just like the way that this design looks. It's just, oh man, it looks incredible. And just the way that everything matches, you know, white, red, you know, black, just to give, you know, some extra, you know, color, you know, not everything to be, you know, the same color. But that design is really fire. I absolutely love this design. So if you guys enjoy this design, make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Please subscribe, because we are doing a lot of progress on growing my channel. I actually hit 125 views in one day on one video, as you guys can see by this picture right here. That video actually is the 2021 Ford Bronco part 2, that is. I mean, 125 views does not sound a lot for other people out there, but me as a small automotive YouTuber, it's really pretty, it's like excellent for me. I mean, 125 views in one day, for me, you know, for me having only 37 subscribers, that's actually pretty good. So I actually enjoy the support that you guys have given me, you know, on you know, this pandemics that are happening. I wish, you know, my videos were more entertaining for you guys, but you know, it is what it is. This is what I have and this is what I share. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you're tapping for the first time and you haven't already, and you feel like you kind of want to. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.